folks, this is Fat Guy Flies RC. We're going to do an unboxing video of the FMS Typhoon, 1.1 meter Typhoon or 1100 millimeter. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of it, show you what came inside. And I've only opened the box and slid it out so far. I haven't actually gotten anything out yet, so you're going to be discovering it with me. So let's get this out of here. Take the big covering box, throw it over there in the pile. And right away, as with all FMS planes and E-Flight planes and all these larger, more professional companies, the box is beautiful. Everything is packed for safety and protection of the parts. Now, I'm already kind of disappointed in one sense that the version that I got here did not have the gray covering of the wires hiding the servo leads and the servo connection, but that's okay. The wiring, that's all right. Rich of the RC Informer, his had that, and I was hoping mine would too, but it didn't. But that's okay, because that's what modeling's for. You can always get some plain tape and paint it gray and white to match. But right off the bat, look at this. You've got your split flaps, your ailerons, everything is already connected for you. Nice wing. If you notice, there's a small amount of dihedral on the end. Dihedral, dihedral, I can't say that. Y'all know what I'm talking about if you do ever put these planes together. What it means is that the plane, the wing of the plane, the main surface, flares up slightly towards the end. That makes the plane very stable in the air. So any plane that you have that has a little bit of dihedral in it, it has a tendency to be a little more stable. It's a great feature. So let's put and that's how the actual plane is made in real life. Okay, you've got the horizontal stabilizer, tail feathers. They link together, key in together just like that. And with any other plane that you open, that's your brand, when you get new, work your hinges. Always work your hinges. These are nice laminate hinges, really good quality. You can see there's a little spar that goes in there. Work your hinges. They're very tight, especially if they've been sitting in a box for a while in heat and expansion and everything. So definitely want to work your hinges. All right, let's go ahead, and here is the smaller spar that will go between both pieces of your horizontal stabilizer. Take that piece of foam. Save the foam. Save the little pieces of foam. You never know when you're. Ask me how I know. I learned the hard way. You want to keep little pieces of foam for filler, for mistakes. It's just a good thing to have that raw material. You also get your spinner here, which is in the masking tape. I can just get my finger in there. All right, so we got your masking tape. All right, go ahead and get that out of the box. Or out of the plastic here. Nice color to detail. Really nice spinner here. So that will go in there. All right, and then last but not least, also got your bag of little bits and pieces, your the screws for your wings, and the glue, the guns that go on the front of the wings. And now, last but not least, the main event, the fuselage. All right, beautiful, beautifully done, beautifully done. All right, now, one thing you always want to do, whenever you undo a plane like this, go ahead and secure everything. Look on both sides. I've had many models that have things stuck to the other side of the styrofoam. So look at both sides like that. Okay? Now, let's turn our attention to the fuselage. Got your air inlet that, and in this model, just so you know, that's actually functional. Air is going to go up through here, cooling your battery, okay, and your electronics. Also, air will go in through here to cool your ESC. Very important. Now, all right, here we go. Look in this nice cavernous opening where your battery and everything. I hope you can see this on the camera here. But if you look down, let me see how it looks on the camera. Well, if you look down in there, if you can see down there, lots of airflow coming through. It'll go right through here and straight out your exit holes. That is great to keep your electronics and everything cool. You've got a battery tray that slides straight down. And folks, there's lots of, you read the RC Informers, you read the all the forums and everything, lots of scuttlebutt back and forth about the CG in this plane, how bad the CG is. Everyone tries to compensate and put weight, and the Rich RC Informers just says, just get your 3-cell battery that calls and put as far forward as you can. Now he puts a little couple of ounces of weight in there, but that's his flying style. But you should be able, we will find out. But if you look, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but down there, as I suspected, they have weight already installed way down in there because they've heard. These companies do listen. They really do listen. And I already look, it looks like 2 or 3 ounces of weight already glued, making the front end of this fuselage already heavy. So they already know, because you have such a short nose here, okay? So that puts your CG a little weird. It's going to seem like it's going to be a little bit back by the book. So you're going to have a little more weight in the nose to get your CG right. Well, they've already done that for you. So with a good 2200, maybe I can fit a heavier one in there. You shouldn't have to add any more weight. In my model, they've already added weight up front. Haven't read the manual yet, so I don't know how much, but it looks like 2 or 3 ounces of weight. So that's just, might want to straighten up your Velcro to make that slide in and out a little bit easier. But anyways, the ESC just kind of flops around, which I will probably secure with some 2-sided tape. Very nicely done. Your linkages are already set up for you. Looks like the only thing you're going to have to attach will be the horizontal stabilizer. So, or elevator. Yeah, this is already got your rudder all served there. We're ready to go. So it's a very simple assembly. You have very small parts count. Your wing, your fuselage, your prop, three bladed prop. This is a 10.5 by 7. 10.5 by 7 prop, 3-bladed prop. So you got just a small amount of parts. Well, we're going to be doing a build video here directly, and that will be the next video. But there's your build, or there's your unboxing. You got your manual, your parts. Very small count, very small part count. And we're going to get this together. Thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Just a simple unboxing of the FMS Typhoon 1.1 meter or 1100 millimeters. And thank you for watching. And please subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe, hit that bell. The reason for that bell is in case you're new to YouTube, it will notify you every time I load up a new video. Anything activity on my channel where there's a new video, then you'll get notified of that for your convenience. So just to let you know. So remember, YouTube's free, it doesn't cost anything, and we can learn so much from YouTube, from each other. So please like and subscribe to my channel, leave comments. If you're just going to troll me and give negative stuff just to bash me, well, I'll still say thank you for the like, or thank you for viewing me. But my channel is about trying to help other people with this hobby. And through helping other people, I learn, you learn, we enrich this hobby, and to share it for generations to come, because we don't want this wonderful hobby to fall along the wayside. It's just a wonderful way to make memories and share with your family and make friends. You know, it's a much part of a much better, wholesome community. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Fat Guy Flies RC, who I'm trying to not be quite so fat anymore. Have a good day, and God bless y'all.